UNH InterOperability Lab is a place where we test networking and data communications devices. We test them for conformance to standards and also for interoperability.
We are a neutral third-party test facility for manufacturers who make equipment for data communications and networking. Basically, if you can put it on the internet, we can test it for something.
I was at UNH in the 1980s. They actually formed the InterOperability Lab while I was an undergraduate student.
After my sophomore year, I was looking for internships for the summer, and I heard a lot of my classmates talk about this place called the IOL. I actually had no idea what it was when I applied.
It's gone from 2 students and 2 or 3 staff members to over 100 students and 20 staff members.
IOL has existed for a quarter century.
Part of the IOL's mission is to try and get engineers, try and get students to want to be in the STEM program.
STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It's kind of an encapsulating term for everything cool.
It generally refers to high school and younger children. We see going forward that the best job opportunities and the fields that are really growing the most are those in STEM.
We're doing a lot of outreach, working with high schools, going in and talking about why we majored in these careers, why we're doing this, what we're interested in.
One way is the high school internship program, which is just an invaluable experience for any high school student who is looking into whether they might want to be a computer scientist or get into software engineering.
They sit alongside our college employees where they get to learn the technologies in whatever consortium that they're placed in.
It's not an internship where you get exposed to one company. It's an opportunity to see and interact with engineers from potentially 180 or more companies and a variety of technologies.
Even before high school, the IOL is also reaching out to younger kids. They hold tech camps for junior high and elementary school students just to get them interested in networking and computers. They have a camp specifically just for young women who want to get into the engineering field, and I think that's very important.
By giving money to the IOL fund, you're allowing a high school student or a middle school student to come here and open their brain to everything that is happening around them with the computers connecting to the internet.
My wife and I donate to the lab because I think producing critical thinking, science and technology majors is important to industry.
Fundamentally, what we need is the broader support to continue not just to grow the programs here, but throughout the university to prepare these students to pursue such career paths because there's endless possibility and endless wonder that could be enabled if they can just set their imagination to it.